Hey there, and welcome to Cars with Nash. Nash is going to be changing this cabin air filter in this 2012 Mercedes C350 today, so you may find a procedure similar on other models and years of Mercedes. So in this particular case, you have to get under the dashboard, and there's 3 T20 screws that you have to get out. So Nash is going to show you that in depth in a second here. And this is my preferred brand of cabin air filter. Actually, I find they make really good filters. Often their instructions aren't very good, but their filters are great.
Okay, now that's off. The panel pops off with a series of clips. And just be careful of this cord here for your floor light here. And to unclip it, so unplugs like that. And then your cabin air filter is just in here. And so you want to just push that side there. There. And slide that up. Okay, so here is our new cabin air filter, and it's kind of hard to install the filter improper because it's not a symmetrical shape. So when you're installing it, you want your arrow, that is right there, to be pointing towards the door, so it sits in there. It's gonna be like that, sitting in there. And there we go, we have our cabin air filter installed. Now to spit the panel back on. Okay, just installing the panel here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.